This is what the garage looks like from the inside. This is where my mom parks her car. Other two car garage. And here is the entire mess of the garage looks like now. And we do fridge clean system. There's our fridge, the pull-out freezer. This is all the woodworking area. I got a tennis ball. We got that's where my dad turns this on. It's a little rusty, but it's okay for pumping up the tires of my mom's car, or the Jeep, or the vacuum to clean it out for the cleaner lady. So this is all the woodworking area that my dad and I did. The tarps. The antenna working. Like I told you guys. This is my dad's hobby. Here. That's my very first French click system. This is the table. My dad's tools. I don't do his major tools, just the small ones that he trusted me with. This is his side of the garage. This is the one car side. We have boxes after boxes, and we do need to see what's inside of it. That leaves my area. I had my mom on my dad's Jeep. So let me go back in real quick. I'm in the garage. That's what my dad did and I did. So it keeps the heat out for the insulation. This is where we keep our food. We do trash, we do recyclable at the house. This shredder. I'll leave the light on my mom. Here's our laundry room. We do laundry. And then we do towels and bed sheets. The bed is made for my mom and dad. We gotta do that before we leave, before dinner. The mattress bedroom and bathroom, his and hers. This is the first floor. This is the den area. We can do our social talking, entertaining company. Kitchen, we do our banking, cooking. And then it's my dad's study. Let me turn that light on for y'all. This is what he does. He talks to countries. Here's a ham radio and all that. Pictures. Closet. If you really want to know, that is his call sign. He's testing his antenna. This is where he gets the email. He has these here. This is what I do with my checks to pay bills. I'm glad I'm back in so you can see why my dad has all this. Like I said, he doesn't do wireless, but he works like an office phone like that when he was working and at Verizon. My dad feels it's a little embarrassing to show his mess online. That's his office supplies where he keeps. Don't worry guys, I promise you guys movies. We will do that soon. You get all these. Walkie-talkies and all. So yeah, this is his man cave is. Man cave. Anyway, that's it. The cute guest room up there, and then my side over here. You can't see, but that's where my place is. We already do our Christmas and Thanksgiving where we eat. This is where he plays his piano mostly every day. I don't want to play with that because it's really his. I just want to show you guys the name. So that's it from here. And this is his sheet music. He plays really good. My mom loves it. My mom records him when he plays this. That's the day that she fell in love with him. And there you go. I'll see you guys later.